Hey guys, so today we are going to be working on solving this polynomial equation with the quadratic formula system, or the quadratic formula system. So first what we want to do is make everything equal 0. So we want to combine like terms. So we would take 5y squared minus y squared, which would be 4y squared. Then 15y minus 3y, which would be positive 12y, which would then plus 9 equals 0. Next, we want to just plug these things into the quadratic formula. Hey, so I'm back, guys, and I've just plugged in everything to the quadratic formula, and so now we will begin to solve. So it will just be negative 12 plus or minus the square root of, so 12 squared is 144. Then negative 4 times 4 is negative 16, times 9 is negative 144. Now, to make this go faster, 144 minus 144 is, in fact, 0. Then that would all be over 8. Then the next step would be to just to finish the problem, basically. So it would be negative 12 plus 0, since the square root of 0 is 0, over 8. Then negative 12 minus 0 over 8. Now, since negative 12 plus 0 and negative 12 minus 0 are the exact same thing, negative 12, the answer would just be the same. Negative 12 divided by 8 equals negative 1.5. That is your answer, everybody. I hope this helped. See you later. Hey, everybody. So today we are going to be working on a word problem with two different people's ages. So a consecutive integer problem with ages. So the problem is Gina is 1 year less than twice Taylor's age. If the product of their ages is 66, how old are they? Hey guys, so I'm back with basically what x equals. So x equals Taylor's age, and 2x minus 1 equals Gina's age, since Gina is 2 times Taylor's, 1 year less than 2 times Taylor's age. So next what we want to do is plug everything in, since it said the product. So then we would want to do x times 2x minus 1 equals 66. Then you just want to distribute this and this. So it would be 2x squared minus x, and then we want to make it equal 0, so it would be minus 66. We want to equal 0 because we want to solve it in a much easier way. So next what I'm going to do is move everything up so we can begin the quadratic formula. This is a lot easier way than completing the square or trying to factor this. So next what we want to do is plug everything in. Hey guys, so I'm back and I just plugged everything in basically to the quadratic formula. So now what we want to do is begin to solve. So both of these negatives cancel each other out because it would be negative 1 times a negative 1 is positive 1. Plus or minus the square root of 1. And negative 4 times 2 is a negative 8. And then negative 8 times a negative 66 is positive 528. And 1 plus 528 is 529 over 4. Next, what we want to do is basically finish up the problem. So we want to do 1 plus 23, since the square of 23 is 529, over 4, and then 1 minus 23 over 4. X would equal 6 and negative 6. So you guys would think that we are done, but we're actually not quite done yet. We actually need to see which one of these answers fits the ages. So remember we said Taylor equals X. Now, for ages, at least, I don't know anyone who is negative 6 or negative 2. So we would have to use the positive number, which would be 6. So Taylor is 6, and it would be, remember, it's 2x, so 2 times 6 is 12, minus 1. So Gina is 11. This is your answer, everybody. I hope this helped. Have a nice day. Goodbye.